Let's see how to show every product category on your website. Let's assume that you already created a website. To start, click on Edit Site. This is just a sample website. This business sells cakes online. So basically, the products are cakes. And to show every product category is very simple. Now, we click the Page button to show other pages of the website. And in the Store Pages section, we click the Category page. We'll then be directed to the Category page, where you'll see the list of product categories on the left side of the screen. Now, to see and edit every product category, click the Pages and Menu button. And there you'll see the Category page in the Store Pages. Now, click the Settings icon on the Category page. Then, to make changes to the content, click Go to your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, it automatically shows the categories of your products. To add new set of products, just click the New Category button or this plus icon. But before that, let's explore the products inside the other categories. In this category, you'll see all of your products. Now, let's go back and create a new category. To start creating, type the name and a short description of your new category. Let's say, for example, I'll name it Cheesecakes. You can also add pictures related to your category's name. Since it's cheesecakes, I will pick this plain cheesecake photo. I'll then add description. As for me, I've prepared the description here, so I'll just cut it and paste it. Then to add products in your category, just click this Add Products button. And let's just say I have the products now. Let's select these two and click Add. If you're already done, you can now click the Save button. As you can see, the new category we created won't appear here immediately. So what we'll do is to exit this dashboard, exit these. Now we can see the cheesecakes category is added to the list. Let's go back to the dashboard and see if the category is already there. Now it shows that our cheesecakes category is already here. And that's how to show every product category on your website. See you soon!